Whoa. Oh wow, that was a nice CG bolt there. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Shelby got hit pretty good over there. And last I checked on radar, severe thunderstorm warning. It's now a severe thunderstorm warning for Gaston County. Hail max size is indicated to be 1 3/4 of an inch. Very heavy rainfall. Wind gust at least 50 miles per hour. I imagine by now it's probably much stronger than that. About 60, 65. Ooh. This is nothing like last night's storm. Last night's storm produced a lot of cloud lightning. This is producing a lot of CG bolts in front of me. Getting them on camera too. That's pretty nice. It's a very dangerous electrical storm. And can't be out here for too long, especially when you get lightning like that and that frequent. Storm's getting closer to me now. It was heading due east toward my area. And these clouds, they got this reddish look to them. Normally it just means a very terrible storm's coming my way. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. You can see the shadows coming down from the clouds there. You can see the rainfall way over here. This wind's starting to get a little more stronger. And something snapped over there. Might have been a weak tree branch. This looks like something you would see in a movie. The way the sky looks, you can't help but think of that. Kind of reminds me of that Twister movie.